you know, say one thing left for me do. And I go link sivva. Cause me it's in the eye then I get white in my place, you know. I'm one know why remedy, you know, my God. Kind of feel like say my loan I get white, you know, my God. I want white, you know, my God, for the ladies, them. Oh, so I have to go link him. Ah, boy. Look, you don't know where boy and bricks if you gonna live so far upon the hillfire, you know? Sure, man. And bricks. And bricks. Who that, man? Oh, engine oil. Yeah, do me hard, man. It's so far and afraid to run out. Oh, no. Run out. That's why I say I'm glad to see you. I want me to go up on a little mission. I want me to go up on a little mission and bricks. But I can't go without you because you know I think turn up. So what you say? Think me can help you, you know? Cause I boy sivva me just so me go link up there, say, you know? Cause me say up there get white. What you mean the man I get white? Handbrakes? What am I do dead? Jesus Christ, what is now? They got good man, they got just a tone up a thing for you ladies them, you see me? And that's why I want to reach up them father. To find out where boy I use. Because now him alone want the ladies them. I feel so I want them to just tell me say yeah forward. But I do no mission. You know say for the ladies me ready. I'm want to get white too. My dog, what you talk about? Alright, my dog, see vibes eh? Come in then no? Look like a right that's why boy live in a engine oil. Call the boy, eh? Right, stop in there then no handbrakes. What your name? Sivva comedy. Sivva man name, idiot boy. Yeah, I want to you. That time man channel name, fool.
My nigga.
Me hear everything on you say fool. I want to do. I now make you know what me I use. Yo, hold on pan this. So what me I use ya? Go and I want to you. Go and go use ya and get girl if you want. And make your man go do a mission. I want to handbrake. Go and sivva. All for yourself. I say you want to live. Alright, my God. Me go and use you here. Me go and use me. Must get girl too. Yo, come in, you know. Yo, come in. You see? If we did just make you go do a mission, the man would not deal with you so. You see? You make it to the end if you see this. When you like, subscribe and share. If you like the video, turn on post notification to see the video them as them drop. Banger. You know, I'm out.